Hi, this is Bernardo from rftrials.com, and in today's video we are going to see how to do an animated video with animated characters with Renderforest. So let's begin. If you want to start creating for free videos with Renderforest, just go to rftrials.com or click the link below and let's get started. Once you are here, you can just sign up with your Facebook account, Google account, or with your email. In my case, I'm going to sign up with Google. And once we do that, which is really easy, by the way, you are prompted with the dashboard and you are ready to start creating videos. So in this case, we are going to try the explainer template. And you can come here, you have four options: to make a logo, to create a video, to edit a mockup and build a website. But for the sake of this video, we are just going to see how to create a video. We have all sorts of templates that we can use, and one can get lost with so many options, so many high quality videos. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to explain the explainer video toolkit. And I like to use the search bar, and for that I'm going to write explainer and hit enter, and here will be revealed all the options for the explainer videos. Now we have 3D. I already made a tutorial on how to make 3D explainer video with 3D characters, so I'll mention that in the description box below. And we are going to use or this one, the world toolkit, or the video toolkit. So I'm actually not sure, because one has 700 scenes, the other one has 500 scenes, and these are just basically the scenes, the animations that you can choose from just by searching for a keyword, for example, that closely matches your content, the content that you are going to have in the video. So let's go with the world toolkit, or actually the video toolkit, because we are going to use a well-known company or software to make our video, and we are going to get their about statement. So once you choose your template, you'll have here a brief description. This is also a good way to know if a certain template will suit what you are looking for. Is to read the description and watch a little bit of the video. If it doesn't fit, go and search another one. So no more boring content and inspiration killers. Explainer video toolkit is here to help you create more persuasive explainer animation ever. 500 interactive scenes of unique characters, kinetic typography, video and photo holders will turn any idea into a video masterpiece. So again, perfect for promo videos, presentations, and various video messages and more. So along the introduction, you will see perfect for promo videos, presentations, and various video messages. All the videos come with this description, at least 3 types of videos which the current template is good for. You can also walk.
Do you run a business or startup and need an engaging explainer animation to promote your brand, but you don't have enough time and you don't want to waste thousands on video production? Introducing Explainer Video Toolkit.
Okay, so another thing, you can come down below and you can see what other users have already done with this template. And this is a really cool way to get some ideas, because sometimes you don't really know what you have to do until you get some ideas from probably other users. So once you do that, you just click on create now, and you have 3 options. Add a scene. It will add the scene one by one. You have to write your text or your content. You will choose a character and animation, and then you go to the other scene, you add another piece of text, you add another scene, another animation, and so on until you finish the video. With a preset, you have the service promotion, social media, IT company, promotion, PR company. This is for people that don't have a script, something already written, and they want to write it on the fly. So these templates are perfect for that. Let's see the service promotion. You can see a video here. Okay, so if you watch the video, this is how it is going to look like when you use this template. You just have to fill the blanks and that's it. So if you click on use ready story, add the text, add the text, add the text, solution, solution, solution. You can see here a small preview of what's going to look like if you add over with your mouse. So you can choose from a variety of options, but let's go from the start, because I like to have to write my script from scratch, add the script to the third option, and it will automatically split the paragraphs and the sentences into scenes. So I just, because it's quicker and it brings more quality to the video, and then it will, I just have to choose the animations and that's it. So that's what we are going to see now. So we are here, and this is the option I like to use, is to click add my script. Okay, so now what I've used to give you guys an example is the Firefox mission statement and some privacy, so you can better work with the script, because we don't have much text here. So I'm going to copy this mission statement. Let's say that we are going to make a promo video for Firefox, so they have on their website, and we only have a few lines of text, so I'll add here a little bit more. Okay, and probably another paragraph. Okay, and it's done. So once you are here, you paste your script that you already have, which I always advise, and then you click on generate project. It will probably come up with some errors, and it says some of your sentences are too long, please shorten the long ones or move to a new line in order to divide. Okay, so let's do that. So it's the second paragraph and this one below. So let's try to divide this into 2 sentences, and this one as well. Which is why we take the extra step to classify the data we have. Let's see, generate project, which is why. Okay, let's put a dot here and click on generate project. Okay, so now we don't have any errors. The software automatically separated the entire script or text, whatever you want to call it, into scenes, and now we just have to click generate, and the software will automatically try to choose the best scene that matches the context of the phrase or the sentence. So our mission is to ensure the internet is a global public resource, open and accessible to all. So I actually think that this scene fits well. You can see here a pre-render of this scene, which is quite cool. Let's see if we can choose a better one. So you will see here matching scenes, which the software tries its best to suggest scenes for you based on the content of the text. We can also choose this one to ensure internet is a global public resource. So it's more or less good, a simple character. Let's see if we can find more options. So for that, you click on replace, come here and let's try to search for internet, and we have several ones. So this one looks good as well. Then I'm actually going to choose this scene. So once you like what you see, click on the scene. It will open these buttons and click on replace scene. And now our mission is to ensure the internet is a global public resource, and it will load this scene so it matches the content. Now let's go to the second one. The internet truly puts people first, where individuals can shape their own experience and are empowered. Let's see what this is. I like this scene, so let's go to the third one. As you can see, this is really quick to make a video, as long as you have the text already. Okay. So it says it has a kind of a limit here, 137 of 110. So it advises you to split this because the maximum advised is 110. So probably we can cut here, but I'm not going to do that right now. So what we have should have done before is to split the sentences to even shorten sentences, so we don't get problems here when choosing the scenes. So we do that when we are adding the script. All right, so let's go to the Mozilla global community of technology thinkers and builders working together. I think this is good. Maybe we can replace by come here and choose technology. Okay, technology, we have several scenes. I like this one, so let's replace technology. Let's go to the fourth scene. So people worldwide can be informed contributors and creators of the web. So web, we can choose this one. You don't have already. So web, I think it matches perfectly. And you can see here 82 characters maximum advised. So we are within the limit, 73. Now number 5, we believe this act of human collaboration across an open platform is essential to individual growth and collective future. So let's see what they are suggesting here. I think it's a good one. Let's see this one. This is a solo. I like this one, so it's okay. And here again it is okay. And if you switch between the scenes, some scenes are the animation, the length in time is shorter than other scenes that have more animation, so you can actually choose between those. So let's choose this one for now because it has the length necessary for our text. Let's go to the 6th one. We make a point of knowing less about you. I like this one. So probably I would replace that with privacy. I like this one. Let's choose this one because it's a shield. It's more related to privacy. Now let's choose the 7. And as you can see, it's very fast to select the scenes. We are almost done with this. You can also choose between right and left position when there is a logo or animation in the left and some text in the right, so you can switch. So all tech companies collect data to improve their products. Let's see this one. Yeah, I like this one. But it doesn't need to include so much of your personal info. So again, I like this character, so he's afraid of sharing personal info. The only data we want is the data that serves you in the end. actually like, you can mix a little bit, not just having characters in text. For example, you can have just text. And number 10, we ask ourselves, do we actually need this? This is one. Try not to repeat the scenes, but this fits perfectly because it has the exclamation point or the question mark. And maybe we can replace or search here for a scene more suited, like question. Okay, we can choose this one. Do we need it for? What do we need it for? Text is fine. And we can, and when can we delete it? Delete it. So we already have a text. It's better to replace switch to an animation, a character animation. So let's see if we have delete. Yes, we have. So let's go keep it safe. We do the hard work to protect your personal information. Data security is complicated, or at least it should be, which is why we take extra steps to classify the data we have. Okay, I like this one. Maintaining rules for how we store and protect each type and never stop iterating our process. Okay, so I think this fits well together, and we have our video made. So we have the text, we have the scenes already made. Now we just have to choose the style. So we are going to click here, click the style, and you can see a preview of the style you will choose. I actually like the standard version. I don't like too much of the other ones. Okay, and you can also select the font. In order to select the font, you'll have to subscribe, but I will go over with you about the plans. So let's choose the color now. And the color is a range of colors that what I would do if I was you, if I had a company or even an agency, advertising agency, I would check the website color template or the logo color palette and match all these colors with the colors of the logo or the company. So the video itself, if it's embedded, if it's played within the website, matches the colors, and this makes everything coherent. So once you do that, you can choose the palette, or you can just choose the custom colors, which I advise if you have a company. And then let's go to the music. Another thing I didn't mention, you can always come back to the edit step, and in each scene you'll see the scene duration. So this is 5 seconds, this is 10 seconds, and you can see the complete duration of the video, which is 2 minutes and 23 seconds. So if you want a larger video, you always have this information here to follow through. Now let's choose the music. Now within the music, I like to choose the upbeat, or you can choose also corporate. Let's go with corporate and just play some of the music. So I'm going to choose this one. I'm going to add. And no other, I always like to put a voiceover because it makes the video really pop. So click on voiceover, and here you can use the advanced trimmer. The advanced trim is only available for people who subscribe. You can purchase one video only, or you can purchase a monthly subscription or an annual subscription, and this feature will be enabled automatically. So I'm going to play a little bit of the video to explain how you do that, how to
sync your voiceover with Renderforest Trimmer. This is Renderforest Advanced Voiceover Trimmer, which will help you to sync your voiceover with every single scene you add. Press the Add Voiceover button and select the track you need. Duration. You can change your voiceover or record a new one directly in the browser.
So basically what's saying here, once you have this activated after subscribing, is that you can, each scene you have a text and you can record your voice, read that text, and it will synchronize the voiceover with the scene perfectly. You can also upload your voiceover here, and you can record it outside of the software, which is not really necessary because you already have here the feature to record the voice. But for the sake of this demonstration, because I want to show you how the outcome of this video can look like, I will record the voiceover outside and then upload. So I'll record with, I usually use Audacity, the Audacity software. It's available for Mac and Windows. You can record yourself, save it in an MP3 format, and then just upload to the software. So I'll come back when I have the audio finished, so we can see the final product or the final version of the video. Okay, so I've recorded my voiceover, and I'm just going to click upload your voiceover, and I'm going to upload it. And now we have the voiceover, and let's just go to music library, Deep to the Sky. We have, just to confirm that the audio track is selected, so the voiceover is also selected. Actually not, so let's select it here. And now we can click, so I just recorded about 1 minute. That's what we are going to see. And now you can click on preview, and now you can click on free preview. It's going to render a version, final version. You can always come back to one of these options to change something that you don't like or you want to correct. And so I'm going to click on preview, and you can also buy high quality. So while it renders, I'm going to go over the subscription plans and the pricing. So once you subscribe, you will be able to do unlimited 360p video exports up to 3 minutes, but the downside is that it has a watermark. The good side is that it's really easy to make very high quality videos. So one of these options is actually inexpensive, $9.99 a month, but it's billed annually. $25 the pro, $40 and $50 the agency. So with the amateur, you are allowed to do 7 HD videos, with the pro 20, with the popular 60 and 30. This is more than enough for a majority of people. And then the agency, which can be used by several users probably, and you can do unlimited videos up to 60 minutes, which is quite a bargain, and it's really inexpensive comparing to other video creation products. And so you can come here and see the different subscription plans, or you can also pay per product. Let's say you just want to create 1 or 2 videos. You don't want to subscribe to a year subscription or even a monthly. You actually have a monthly price, so you can switch here and subscribe to the amateur, which is only $39 a month. Let's say you want to use 1 or 2 months and then you don't need to use it anymore. You can do the monthly, or you can do the early. You can also pay per product, but I only advise you to do that if you are just going to make 1 video, because if you make 2 videos, it is worth to at least pay the monthly fee. So I advise, if you are just going to make one video and purchase one video, do it with the maximum quality, because probably this will be a video to use on your company or anything of that sort. Again, you can also make YouTube videos very easily here, and you can just create, let's say you have, one of the things that I'd suggest is for bloggers, if they have written content today with YouTube, TikTok, and several other video platforms, you can get a lot of traffic from those platforms and build an audience. And the only thing you have to do is to convert your blog post to video. So this is a great and easy way to do that in a couple of minutes, and you have a great high quality video. So let's see if it has finished rendering, and it has. So let's see the final product. Before that, you can publish. If you click here, you can publish to directly to your YouTube account or to HubSpot. You can also share to Tumblr, Pinterest, Twitter, and Facebook. Google Plus doesn't exist anymore. You can also go to My Videos. This is the dashboard where you have all the videos. I can go there very quickly. And here you can, of course, download the file. So this is your dashboard, your videos. You'll have 4 options. And these are all the videos that you have here. So you can come back later if you want to. They are always recorded. So let's see the outcome, how we made the video. Our mission is to ensure the internet is a global public resource, open and accessible to all. An internet that truly puts people first, where individuals can shape their own experience and are empowered, safe and independent. At Mozilla, we are a global community of technologists, thinkers and builders working together to keep the internet alive and accessible, so people worldwide can be informed contributors and creators of the web. We believe this act of human collaboration across an open platform is essential to individual growth and our collective future. We make a point of knowing less about you. All tech companies collect data to improve their products. Okay, so this is the final product. Again, we have here some problems about synchronizing the voice with the scenes. For that, we would have to upgrade the plan or to a paid plan. And I also made a mistake, which I had when I recorded my voice. I recorded a really low volume, so I should have increased the volume probably 50% or even double, so the audio doesn't overlaps the voiceover. But very good way to create a video, and I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. And if you want to subscribe and start playing with Renderforest and start creating videos, go to rftrials.com or click in the link below, and I will see you in the next video.